everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with this super easy sunset inspired eyeshadow look. So if you'd like to see more, please stay tuned. So per usual, I'm starting off with my eyebrows done. And I'm going to start with my face first. And I'm starting by priming my face with the Becca Ever Matte primer. It's great for the summertime. Next, onto foundations. I'm going to mix two of my favorite foundations, the Loreal Infallible Pro Matte and then the NARS Radiant Longwear, and I use about a pump of each. I put it on my hand, mix them together, and then I put a couple of dabs on my face, and then I'll just blend everything out using a stippling brush. And one pump of each usually does my full face. And I just like the way that these two foundations mix together. They give me like the perfect skin it gives me the perfect skin match, and I just feel like it gives me great coverage. Next, going in with my concealer, I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and I think this is NC 40. I don't know, I'll have the color down below, but I'm just going to start by applying that under my eyes. I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I'm also going to apply it just to the other areas of my face that I like to highlight, and I'm also going to use it to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to set all of those areas, and I'm going to mix my setting powder. So first I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter setting powder in the color Banana, and I'm going to mix it with my Ben Nye setting powder in the color Topaz. If you watched my No Filter ColourPop collection review, I did mention that I like the Banana, but it was a little on the light side for my skin complexion, and a lot of you suggested that I mix my powder. So that's basically what I've been doing lately, and I love the color of these two mixed together. I feel like it's just like the perfect highlight for my skin tone. And I'm just setting my face, and I'm gonna set it a little heavy. I'm gonna bake and just let that sit while I do my eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my box of Crayon eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color Tan, just to kind of as a warm transition color for my eyeshadow. It's very close to my natural skin tone, so it's just going to be a nice natural transition with the next color I'm going to put down. So I'm going to go into the color Red from that same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to start working that into my crease. This is a really simple eyeshadow look. I used about 4 different eyeshadows, I want to say, and yeah, it was just mainly blending and layering. So this is just that red, and I'm just going back and forth blending it into my crease until I feel like I get the color payoff that I want. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using Red Ochre, which is just basically like a deeper, darker red, and I'm just blending that a little lower than that red eyeshadow, and I'm blending it down into my eyelid. So I'm basically going to do the same thing I did with the red, going back and forth until I get the desired color and blend that I like. Again, this is very simple. Like, didn't take any special like makeup techniques, literally just applying the different colors, the two different colors back and forth in that windshield wiper motion. Now I'm going to go into my favorite eyeshadow ever, and this is the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in the color Game Face. I've owned multiple of these throughout the past couple of years. It's a pretty bronze eyeshadow. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow ever. And I just take it and I dab it on my finger, and I'm just applying it onto the rest of my lid where there wasn't any eyeshadow. And again, super easy. Just take your finger and blend it out. Then I'm gonna go in, I didn't use any more eyeshadow, but after I apply the Game Face on my eyelid, I'm just gonna go in with the same eyeshadow brush that I used for the darker red, and just make sure that everything is blended out smoothly. But I didn't actually add any more eyeshadow to it. Just gonna take my eyeshadow brush and just kind of blend everything out, like whatever eyeshadow was left on it. Now I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics Eyelights eyeshadow topper, and it's in the color Gal Pal. It's this pretty bronzy golden glitter. So I'm just taking that and just dabbing a little bit on top of that, well, in the center of Game Face, and just kind of blending it out. You do kind of have to work fast with this eyeshadow topper because it does like dry really quick, and then if you try to go over it with more, it kind of gets, I don't know, a little messy and like cakey. But yeah, I'm just applying a little bit of that in the center of my eyelid just to make that golden bronze color pop a little more. And then off camera, I'm going to apply a little liner and eyelashes. So these are some BH Cosmetic eyelashes. I purchased these on a whim. They're like $2, and I've been wearing them out. They are so raggedy, but I'm going to wear them until I think I don't have any eyelashes left on that strip. But now I'm going to finish the rest of my face. So I'm going into my ColourPop No Filter pressed powder, and I'm just going to set the rest of my face, set my foundation, and dust away any of that excess loose setting powder, and just make sure that the rest of my face is just kind of blended seamlessly. I'm going to move on to bronzing, and I'm using my Black Radiance True Match Complexion palette, and this is the medium dark to dark palette, and I'm just going to do some light bronzing. And I haven't really been wearing blush a lot lately, so after this we're going to skip straight to highlighting. For my first highlighter, I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply some of the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Rum, and I'm just going to like dab a little bit of that on my cheek, on my cupid's bow, and the tip of my nose. Basically kind of like to make the next highlighter that I apply kind of stick better. And so the next highlighter that I'm going to use is Anglowla from the Crayon case, and this is a loose eyeshadow, so it's a little messy, but you just dust away the excess and just apply it on. Then I'm going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, the usual. And next I'm going to finish off my eyes. I'm going back into that deep red color, and I'm just going to apply it to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to use a white eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply that into my waterline. White eyeliner just kind of makes your eyes look bigger. I normally do black eyeliner, but I've been kind of bored with it, so I've been opting for white eyeliner lately. And then I'm going to put a little mascara on my bottom lashes. Then to finish the look off, I'm going to do a nude lip. If you guys don't know, I recently uploaded a video with all my favorite nude lip combinations. So I'm using a dark brown lip pencil. Next, I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss in the color Gingersnap. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of MAC under the sheets to the center of my lips. And that will be our final look. I really love the way that this eye look came out. Hadn't really did my makeup as far as like eyeshadow goes in a while, so yeah, I was really loving this look today. So yeah, that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on all my social media platforms, and I'll see you on next video. Bye.